Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make cupcakes easy. Start by gathering all your ingredients and equipment. This includes flour, sugar, eggs, butter, milk, baking powder, and vanilla extract. Ensure your butter and eggs are at room temperature. This helps create a smooth, uniform batter. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius so it's ready when your batter is mixed. First, cream together 1 stick of softened butter and 1 cup of granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, beat in 2 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Then, gradually add 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour and 1/2 cup of milk, alternating between the two, starting and ending with the flour mixture. Now, line a standard 12-cup muffin tin with paper liners. Carefully spoon your batter into each liner, filling them about 2/3 full. This prevents overflowing and ensures a perfect dome. Place the tin into your preheated oven and bake for approximately 18 to 22 minutes. You'll know they're done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, let your delicious cupcakes cool in the muffin tin for about 5 minutes. This helps them firm up before you transfer them. Then, move them to a wire rack to cool completely. This step is crucial before frosting, as warm cupcakes will melt your beautiful decorations. Finally, frost them with your favorite buttercream and add some colorful sprinkles for a festive touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.